Hey y'all, we're Josh and Rebecca Addair, and we are so proud to share our story with you. From being raised in a small coal mining town of Matewan, West Virginia, to moving to our dream home in East Tennessee.
When we first laid eyes on our 110-year-old farmhouse, our hearts were filled with nothing but pure joy. We knew right then that this place was going to be our sanctuary and a place for others to gather and experience true mountain hospitality.
We're true Appalachian folk who show our love with a good meal, laughter, a helping hand, and a prayer when needed. Our goal is to give you an authentic look into the Addair family and the wonderful craziness that is our blessed life.
So y'all come on in and make yourselves comfortable. We're glad to have you here, and we can't wait to share a little slice of mountain life with each of you. Welcome home, friends.
All right, welcome. This is our welcome to our next episode, I guess is what I should say.
Next episode.
Yes, super excited. We are back in the kitchen, and it is officially blackberry season here in East Tennessee, and I am so excited.
He is. Apparently he had a bushel of blackberries for lunch at work.
Yeah, I have a lady who comes every year to my work and brings us blackberries. So of course I bought a heck of a bunch, and we're going to make some jam as we did last year because it was delicious. We're also going to today show you all how to make an old-fashioned blackberry cobbler.
I've never done this. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm the assistant.
It's the most easy thing.
I feel like before we move forward, we have to explain why we have jailhouse tats on our daughter. Yesterday was the 4th, and we went a little crazy. So if you're noticing, what's on that girl's neck or her forehead? She's a little patriotic. I hope this wipes off before church tomorrow.
She bleeds red, white, and blue.
Literally. So sparklers in her veins.
All right. So let's get started on this blackberry cobbler. So the very first thing that you're going to want to do before we do anything else is I'm going to take your berries. We have this is 6 cups of blackberries, and I'm going to put them into this bowl here. All right. Now, in this bowl, I got a little ahead of myself. So let's talk about what we're going to actually have to have for this whole recipe. You're going to need 6 cups of blackberries. You're going to need a cup and a half of sugar. You're going to need a cup of a cup of milk and a cup of self-rising flour. Also, 1 stick of butter. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my 6 cups of blackberries and I'm going to just put them in a bowl, and I'm going to add half a cup of sugar to them. I'm going to let you stir it up, okay? And then if we can get a spoon, Israel is going to stir that up just a little bit for us. Probably. Or it's not going to matter, honestly. Okay, stir that up. Now I don't want you to squish them. You're doing a great job. Meanwhile, if you don't mind, will you preheat the oven to 350?
Okay.
And I'm going to stick this stick of butter.
I think that's good.
I'm going to stick this stick of butter in this pan. And she's going to preheat the oven. We're just going to let that melt in the oven while it preheats. Like I said, preheat that oven to 350. All right, that's good, girl. Thank you so much. Now, we're just going to set these to the side while we do everything else. And the point in putting that sugar in here is it's going to start drawing out those juices. So I'm just going to set this back over to... Okay, so we've got that in the oven, and while that is in there, we're going to take our other ingredients, which is our cup of flour, cup of sugar, and our cup of milk.
Is this making the dough?
Yeah. And we're just going to stir this together. I'm going to have Israel stir this together.
This looks good.
Looks good. Flour, sugar.
That looks good, huh?
Almost. Let me see.
No, I got it. Let me make sure. No,
Let me see. I'm just gonna get the sides.
and then can I fill the sides?
Well, I'm just gonna scrape the sides.
Then while you scrape them, can I stir the rest of
Look,
them?
you kind of got it. You see how I'm stirring? Look, let me show you that. Okay. You see how I'm kind of stirring them in little quick circles?
Yeah.
You got to do it like that to break up those clumps. So
Okay.
little quick circles.
Like this.
And this is not required in the recipe, but because I am who I am, we're going to put a little bit of ground cinnamon in this.
Then stir that in.
By a little bit, he means a liberal amount.
Then stir that brown cinnamon up.
Smell it. Smells good, huh?
It smells like coffee.
Coffee creamer?
I like inside.
Yeah, it's because that's coffee's next to you. Okay, let me start just to get these lumps out so we can
What's going on?
move on.
I'll tell you something else I could have done too, which was sift the flour. I didn't sift the flour, so.
It's okay.
Let me try it.
No, you're good. We're done.
Oh, we had to do that?
You're so helpful, girl. You're so helpful.
Alright. And now,
Let me try this. Is that like
okay. Woo! Hot, hot, hot.
Okay. Oven is preheated. Butter is melted. Now, next thing is, you're not going to mix this. That's very important.
It's like that lady on TikTok that's like, dump cakes, and she's like, don't mix it.
Yeah, don't mix it. So literally butter in the pan. I'm just going to take this and I'm going to pour this right on top. Oops.
It's fine. Oh, baby, that's hot. Careful.
Didn't even hurt me.
Well, good.
Okay. There's that. Again, not mixing. And then I'm going to take my berries and I'm going to spoon these in. Just roughly.
Spoon the berries. Baby, don't forget that that pan is very hot.
That does not look good.
You don't think so?
Do you? Dad?
I think it just looks very mixed up right now.
Doesn't look very good. For the berries! For the berries! Mix it up.
Okay, and now I'm gonna make sure I get all this syrupy stuff in here. Okay, there's that. Now, So the only thing I'm gonna do is just kind of sprinkle the sugar over the top. This way, when that crust forms,
Ooh, be nice and crispy.
Can I scoop it for you?
that's it. I'm done. And then I'm also gonna sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon.
Can I sprinkle a little bit?
I'm just gonna shake it out.
Shake it all out.
Okay.
Shake it off. Shake it off.
Okay. This already smells incredible. I'm sure it's the cinnamon. All right, this is hot, girl. Okay, now this into the oven for 45 minutes or until the top is golden brown and it's bubbling on the sides. Okay.
Bubbly.
All right, let's do that.
If you have a business and are looking for an interesting way to advertise, email us at adairsfarmhouse@gmail.com.
So the timer just went off, and now we're going to check this out. Oh yeah, it's all bubbly and warm, brown. Let's just get us a heaping helping out here.
Corner's always my favorite.
Yeah.
Like the crust.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry. Try to more.
There we go.
Look how pretty.
Yes. And a little bit of ice cream. I get a dollop of ice cream right to the top.
Put in my freezer.
Now let's take a look. Okay, we're gonna try this thing. Gotta get a little bit of ice cream, berries. You know, you want a bite of all of it.
Right. Here we go. I'm not usually a berry cobbler kind of person, but this is very good.
Cobbler, especially Blackberry Cobbler, like screams summertime to me.
The crust is so good. I really was kind of more like, because there's no like eggs in it. You know what I mean? I was like, how is it gonna, I don't know, bake? It's very good. Oh
Of course.
no! Wow.
Great, great, great. So again, super simple. Cup and a half of sugar, cup of milk, cup of flour, 6 cups of berries. You're gonna take your berries, put them in half a cup of sugar, let them work, get their juices. Put a stick of butter in a pan, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Mix your cup of sugar, cup of flour, cup of milk. Take the melted butter out, pour the batter in, don't mix it. Pour the berries on top, spread them out evenly. Bake that sucker on 350 for 45 minutes. And serve it with some ice cream if you want. This will make your tongue slap your brains out.
It's good. Alright, that's that. Now, we can't eat all of this because we have friends at the lake and we're going to take it to them. So, yeah.
Okay.
Thanks for joining us.
Until next time,
Until next time.
we love y'all. See you next time.
Yes.